One of the biggest mistakes that people make in travel sales is expecting every lead to convert into a booking. And honestly, when I started, even I felt the same. But that's not the truth. Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Dream Journey with Arpita, and this is your host, and today we're going to talk about episode 4 of series 4 of what happens in Insights Agent Mind, and episode being not every lead is a sale. Sorry. So basically, if you actually look at it, when we start our journey at Dreamport, not only at Dreamport, whether in whichever area of sales you are in, we expect that every lead to convert into a booking, because that is how we've been taught in the training, that, the customer comes in, he calls up, you assist him with the options, and then eventually, the sale happens. But honestly, it's not like that, because understand one thing, when initially I started, I always thought that, oh, the customer has come in, I would be able to close the sale quickly. But what happened? That changed my entire, scenario completely, because I understood one thing after having, initial, I think 15 to 20 conversations. I realized one thing: I wasn't lacking something. It was just that all the customers were not ready at one point in time, because some people were just comparing fares, some were just researching, some were thinking about their dreamy vacation, for the next 6 months. Someone was, just looking for the promo fare, and that is where the reality hit. That it is not that I am lacking something. It is just that the customers are not ready to buy right now, and it has nothing to do with me, because every lead is not going to convert into a sale. Some are just about giving the information, some are just about researching, some are just about making yourself feel better about how you look at the CMS, how you look at the pro quote and everything. I think that mentality, that mindset shift changed everything for me, because the day I started chasing every lead, putting unnecessary pressure on the customer to buy the ticket, and I realized that when I was putting the pressure, I was killing the sale. And that is why I talked about all of these things in the first 2-3 series. So that is the reason I realized that I don't have to put any pressure. If the customer has to come, he will come. If he doesn't want to come, no matter how many times I may call him, he will not come, right? And I think that mindset shift changed everything for me, because the minute my mindset had shifted from chasing every customer for a booking to just understanding what I am learning out of it. And I think after enough conversation, I started asking that, did I book? Did I make a sale? I started, looking at it as a progress. Did I make any conversation better today? Did I progress in any conversation? Did I progress in my research? Did I progress in this, that? And the minute I started asking, these questions for myself, I immediately noticed one thing: everything felt smoother for me. Then the waiting period of the customer did not kill me. I was not overwhelmed that, they are not booking. In fact, right now when I'm making this video, it's been, I think, about 10 days, I've not made a single sale. But I am calm, because I know when I will start making, I will do wonders. So that is how it is, I think, which we need to really think of, that, when we are waiting for this killing period, we have to utilize our time wisely. Because understand one thing, that, not every lead is a sale, but every lead is an opportunity to build trust, gain experience, and move someone one step closer to their decision. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll meet again in the next one.